Have you ever wondered how to use avocado in cooking recipes? Yes? No? Definitely it's a no. And still you're wondering, is the chapati going to be green? Definitely it's going to be green because avocados are green. Now, we are going to be making avocado chapati, which is a flatbread that's so good and delicious. The recipe is easy. All you have to do is mix some avocado pulp with some all-purpose flour, and the outcome is going to be soft and healthy avocado chapatis. So let's get started. You're going to pick your avocado, and using a sharp knife, you're going to cut around the avocado just like that. Twist. Nice. Using a spoon, I'm going to scoop out the pulp and transfer to a plate. Pick your knife, remove the pits, and transfer to your plate as well. Because the avocado is very soft, you're going to use a fork and mash the avocado. Once done, you're going to squeeze in some lemon. Mix in the lemon in the avocado. The lemon is going to stop the avocado from oxidizing, so don't skip on that, because if you skip, the dough is going to turn brown because the avocado is going to oxidize. When done, you're going to keep aside. Pick a bowl. To my bowl, I'm going to be adding in some all-purpose flour. Add in some sugar, salt. Mix the salt together with the sugar into the all-purpose flour. Add in your avocado. Pick a spoon and mix the avocado in the all-purpose flour. You can also use your hands. So I'm going to add in some warm water as I mix. Scrape the bottom of the bowl to make sure all the all-purpose flour is fully combined into the dough. Add in a tablespoon of cooking oil. Mix, and once fully combined, I'm going to switch from my spoon to my hands. So I'm going to pick some more all-purpose flour. Because the dough is wet, sprinkle some more and knead for around 5 minutes until I have a soft and elastic dough. After 5 minutes, this is how my dough is looking, and as you can see, it's not sticky at all. So the next step is to rest the dough. So you're going to spread some cooking oil on top, just a little bit, about a tablespoon of cooking oil on the dough, and then you're going to rest the dough for around 10 minutes. After 15 minutes, you're going to transfer your dough on your countertop. Place my bowl aside, and then I'm going to knead for another 2 minutes. The dough is looking so good. It's nice and stretchy, and it's also soft. Once you're done kneading the dough, you're going to sprinkle in some extra all-purpose flour on your countertop. Flatten your dough, and using a rolling pin, I'm going to roll out my dough. All you have to do is push the dough on all sides and make maybe a rectangle. Yeah, a rectangle. The shape should not be defined, but any shape can do. Yes, that is what I'm trying to say. Stretch the dough as far as you can. Add in a tablespoon of cooking oil. Spread the oil on top using the palm of your hands. Make sure to go to the edges also. Once done, you're going to pick a knife or a pizza cutter and cut your dough into strips. Pick my dough and roll into a roll just like this. And then I'm going to tuck in the bottom, press on top, and there you go, guys. Those are definitely layers. As you roll, make sure the pieces of dough are the same size because you want the same sized chapatis. When done rolling the pieces of chapati, it's time to cook our avocado chapati. So you're going to place your chapati pan or a skillet over medium-high flame. Sprinkle some all-purpose flour on your countertop. This is to avoid sticking. And using your rolling pin, you're going to push the dough as you roll out into a circle. Remember, the dough is very elastic, so it's going to be very easy for you to roll out into a round shape. As you roll out, you're going to flip so that you can have a nice round shape. When the pan is ready, you're going to transfer your rolled out piece of dough. And you can see how soft the dough is because you can notice very large air pockets on my chapati as it's cooking. Nice. So I'm going to flip my chapati so that the other side can cook while I roll out the next one. Easy peasy. I'm used to making chapatis every single week, as I said earlier, so I'm usually very fast. Place my next piece of dough on the hot skillet, sprinkle some all-purpose flour, and repeat. The next step is to add some lovely dark spots on my chapatis by adding some cooking oil. So I'm going to be frying my chapatis in batches. So I'll pick 4. Place on my pan, pick my cooking oil, and using a spoon, I'm going to scoop out some of the oil. You can use a pepper if you feel that your fingers are burning, just like me. Move the chapati around as you add in the lovely golden brown spots on your avocado chapati. Yeah. Flip. Add in some more cooking oil in my pan. Lift the chapati a little bit so that the oil can sink in the middle of the pan. Flip my top chapati that I just added some lovely dark spots. Flip once more and repeat until I'm done with the rest of the chapatis. And I have one avocado chapati which is ready. So I'm going to place on another clean plate and cover with a kitchen towel so that the chapati doesn't dry out. When it comes to avocados, I'm a huge lover and they have lots of benefits to our body. For example, they have healthy fats that our body needs. Also, they're rich in potassium, have lots of vitamins, high in fiber, and have antioxidants. making the fruit very healthy. When done making your avocado chapatis, you're going to let them sit for around 5 minutes before serving. After 5 minutes, I'm going to check on my chapati, and this is how the avocado chapati is looking like. Chapatis are soft, light, and I love everything about the chapatis. Also, I love the golden spots on my chapatis. You can see how flexible the chapatis are because they're super soft. They have lots of layers. So once in a while, you can surprise your family by making this avocado chapati, which is soft layered, delicious, and best served over some curries or even proteins. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this very delicious avocado chapati recipe.